Okay, I like it. Let's do that.
See, those are the lights you need for recording.
Yeah.
What?
Lights on the front.
Oh,
Little pod
yeah.
lights.
Oh, you're pushing rocks. You're getting on, you're climbing the big rock. Okay, you cleared it. Yeah. If I can see. Nice.
Clear?
Yup. All rocks are clear.
The sketchy part that I was worried about, at least, is over.
Yeah.
I wasn't even worried so much about, I mean, driving up that hill was a little sketchy, but it was trying to hold the brakes while winching him around and not get drug off of the side there. But it worked good. I wasn't sure how quickly you wanted to go, but it was hard to go any slower and it actually go up over some of those rocks.
It was just right.
So
I can't believe the Hummer went up that hill and turned around.
I had no problem. The only hard part was once you got up farther to where all those bushes were, the rocks were 3 times bigger and they were all over.
I hope it showed up on the camera.
I scraped bottom quite a bit. There was a few times where I was thinking I might have to stop and back up and pick another route, but it bounced and went up and climbed and scratched and crawled and went up to the top.
Gonna need a new tow truck.
Well, that'd be bad because there's a big hill on the other side too.
good? Oh, you want me to just put it up and roll it?
Yeah, because it'll be downhill.
All right.
Yeah, it'll be downhill once you flag it out. There, now you should be able to roll forward the rest of the way.
Nice and gentle.
That looks good there.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I brought you a big headlamp. Super bright one. Oh, yeah.
Tow truck and let the lights on and
awful.
walk over by Ben. Let the bugs go to the tow truck.
I've been bathing in citronella candles for the last few days. They didn't bug me at all.
Nice.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of new bites I can feel.
How do you bathe in a candle?
The smoke.
Oh, he doesn't light the candle. He uses like deodorant and just wipes
Just
it
wipes.
all over.
Just wipe the citronella. No, I just had one sitting next to my camp trailer or my camp chair,
Oh, that's right, you were
So
camping.
it's just all over
and
you.
so it's just been absorbing the citronella smoke into my clothes for days. Not that I wear the same clothes for days.
Busted.
Shifty eyes. Shifty eyes.
Alright.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I've been recording this whole time.
Okay. All right.
You got
Thank-
60%
Hey.
left.
Thank goodness.
So it that was a fun one. It's too bad that it was so dark so fast.
Yeah.
Probably didn't get a lot of good shots. of how actually steep that was.
It was a lot sketchier than what it looked like in the pictures that he sent us, which is usually the case.
Yeah, and he actually said that. He's
Yeah,
like, it's a lot
he
worse
did.
than it looks.
When I got in the Forerunner, I couldn't put my seatbelt on because it was
It
at
was
too much
locked.
of an angle,
Yeah.
and I felt I really needed it.
I bet it was at least 37 degrees.
Oh, I'll bet it was more than that.
Yeah.
Well, not the whole way though. It was steep.
no, I
not
just
as
mean
steep,
where it was
but-
sitting. Where it was sitting, I bet it was
When I
at
was
least.
sitting in there, that's what I felt.
Because when I
It
went,
might have been as high as
when I went up
42.
and around, it was a lot steeper than where it was right
Yeah.
there. Yeah, we were talking about on the way down, that boulder underneath is probably the only thing that kept him from
rolling
all the way down to the bottom of the hill, probably killing him.
Yeah, him and his buddy.
It would have been bad.
We talked about that when we were coming up.
It would have been a slow roll. I don't know if it would have killed him unless he put his arms out. Or something.
It would have only
Well, no.
been slow for the first roll.
Because it would have rolled
If it kept going,
20 or 30 times all the way to
Yeah.
the bottom of the hill. It never would have stopped.
he probably would have rolled until where I turned around.
Yeah, down where the tow truck was. Right where
Once or
he was
twice.
at, if that rock hadn't hung up on his cross member after it took out his gas tank, he would have gone over and it would have
So they
all the way to the bottom.
they said that they'd been trying all day. They did it last night and they went back up today and they've been digging it out and trying a bunch of stuff. He had a lot of ideas they were going to try, but nothing worked out and he just couldn't get it moved. Him and his dad decided it would be better just to call some professionals. And so they gave us a call and we were able to come up the same day and do it. So, but yeah,
That's a pretty blue.
it ended up pretty good.
I like that.
He said he was really happy with the work
His
and
tire's almost flat on the trailer. Boat trailer.
Start over.
squirrel.
No, tire.
We're
Low
making
tire.
a video.
Low tire.
Pay attention.
We're not making a video, we're filming a video. Totally
That's
different.
how you make a video. You
Oh.
film it.
You got 10% left.
10%.
I'm gonna go over.
It ain't gonna make it. He's long-winded.
He needs air net.
Cap. It was sketchy, but we got it done. It's good. Came out better than we thought it was going to at first. So
Remember, our website's live now, so go check out our t-shirts and our stickers and merch. It's bentoffroad.com. Sorry, bentoffroadrecovery.com. And check us out. Okay? Thanks for watching.
hey,
I'm not a squirrel.
what are we doing?
There's this guy at the gas station needed some air. We happened to carry an air pump in our
Yeah.
tow truck, so.
I saw the shadow.
So I gotta go buy diapers, so I'll just
Blow.
take lunchbox home.
Blowing up a squirrel.
You can go blow a squirrel. I don't want anything to do with that.
Up. Blowing up. And you ruined my video! You're using up all my video! Was that the Jackie Chan one when,
You are using all the film.
yeah, he answers his phone in the middle of filming. Why are you answering your phone? You are using up all our video!
They want to speak to you, Jack.
Hello?
I'm sorry about this.
We are filming right now. You sorry? You waste our film.
Call me back later, 7 o'clock.
Ah.